Well, I'm here to seek the blessing of Mr. President for him to honor the Nigerian Navy in commissioning the indigenously built Civil Defense Boat 3, which is one of the three now we're building by the Nigerian Navy dockyard staff in Lagos come December this year. His response is positive because it prides us as a nation that we can build something from the scratch to finish by our own shipyard. So it is a pride to us. It will add to the set of vessels that we have for the protection of Nigerian maritime territory against piracy, sea robbery, illegal bunkering, and all maritime crimes. The more we see that we need to tropicalize it, and the more added expenditure on it, but I can tell you that it's encouraging. It's unlike when you get foreign vendors to build or to supply the ship. It's saving a lot for the country, and going forward we are looking at doing more of that within the shortest possible time. Already we have a Democratic Republic of Congo. They are willing, they are meeting us to partner with us in shipbuilding and maintenance. We have Badagry shipyard that wants to build a shipyard in Badagry. They also want to partner with us in maintenance and construction. And most of the countries in the West Coast definitely are going to patronize us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.